Hi, my name is Haziq and I would like to present you our project. And our project executive summary is: many people nowadays prefer car driving service. This service is able to reduce traffic congestion on the road. The purpose of this system was facilitate the daily affairs of the community in moving from one destination to another. The customers do not need to waste time buying tickets physically. For example, by taking a bus, customers have lost a lot of time buying tickets and waiting for their turn to get to the stop they want to go. Based on that, with just fingertip, the system can help customers move to their desired destination regardless of time. Moreover, in this age of modernity, all services are done online. Therefore, customers will get feedback quickly. Therefore, this system is very functional in helping to facilitate the daily life of some communities, especially for students who live in college that do not have transportation. Some of the objectives of our project is: first, to apply some of the topics we have learned, such as function, looping, and selection. And the next one is to make it easier for all communities or college students who live on campus to go out anywhere. And the last one is to pick the public interest in using this service by setting an affordable price and developing a promotional card. And this is our entire flowchart based on the code. And the code is a program for a car driver service that offers two modes of operation: admin and user. The main page function displays the program welcome message and prompt the user to choose between the admin or user mode by entering a code. If the user chooses 1, the admin sign-in function is executed, and if the user chooses 2, the user sign-in function is executed. If the input is neither 1 nor 2, the user is returned to the main page. And I will try to explain all of the important functions that contained in the flowchart. The user sign-in function allows the user to sign up by entering a username and password. The user is prompted to confirm the sign up, and if the confirmation is Y, the user is directed to the user main page. If the username and password are incorrect, the user has up to 3 attempts to enter the correct information. If the password is incorrect after 3 attempts, the user is returned to the main page. The get user main function allows the user to select a car option, calculate the price based on the distance and number of riders, and display the total price after any discount. The user can then choose to purchase another ride or sign up.
In int main, this will go straight to the main page function. In the main page function, it's used to divide for admin or user. So basically, enter 1 for admin, enter U for user, which is for the customer. If the user enter 2, they will go to user sign function, which is ask the user to sign up their customer username and log in. We use ticket line with space so that customer can put space in their username. In the login, we set 3 times after they put the wrong username or password for the first time. Then, if the time try reach 3 times, customer will go back to the main page. After the customer succeed login, they will be directed to go to user main function. Get user main function is for the flow of customer by car driver service. First, they will go to the get car function. In this function, we display 4 options of car that are available. It starts with greeting function that contains welcome to the customer with the username displayed. Then the customer will ask to choose option. If the customer enter more than available car, the customer need to enter again until they enter not more than car available. Other than that, this function will also collect the count of each car function, or 4 of them, that we already declared as global variable. After they choose the option that they desire, then it will go to get total rider function. Function car option is to show the details of the car they have choose. Next, we go to the total price function, which is basically display the receipt and calculate total price, price after discount, price per person. All of them displayed, and this function return the price after discount. After all the functions successfully finish, we use loop do while to ask the customer whether they want to purchase another driver or not. They will be signed up and go to user back function. We back to main page for the admin, which is need to enter one. We make admin sign in, we declare that username is admin and the password 1234. And we make loop do while so that only 3 attempts for the login, or else they will back to admin menu. If the admin log in successfully, they go to the admin menu, which displays 1 for logout, 2 to report car total trip, and 3 for report total sale, and 4 and X for terminate the program. Termination function is for warning for them to make sure about the termination, so they can have the second chance to back. Then, that's all for the list of code.
I will explain the details of input and output. First, function main page. For function main page, the input is admin or user, and the output is 1 for admin or 2 for user. Next, function user sign in. For sign in, the input is username and password, and the output is the same username and password. For login, the input and output is the same as sign in. Next, function get car option. For this function, the input is option of car and the output is option. Next, function get total rider. For this function, the input is Y to select this option or B back to choose another option, and the output is Y to select this option or B for back. Input total rider, total of passenger. The output is total rider. Next, function get distance. For this function, the input is distance destination in kilometer and the output is distance. Next, function total discount. The input is Y, yes or N, no, promotion code. The output is Y, yes or N, no. Next, input promo code number 202020. The output is promotion discount equals to 0.0, which is no, or promo discount equals to 0.05 if have promotion code. Next, input Y for yes and N for no. For student, the output is student discount equals to 0.0 if no, and student discount equals to 0.05 if have promotion code. Next, function change fee. For function change fee, the input is Y, yes or N, no. Change fee per person. The output is Y, yes or N for no. Next, input RM, fee for person, and the output is RM, fee for person. Last but not least, function admin menu. The input is 1. Logout, 2. Report car total trip, 3. Report total sales, and X to terminate the program. The output is 1 for logout, 2. Report car total trip, 3. Report total sales, and X to terminate the program. references for this project are from slide Sir Roger Kanda, from slide Madam Aisha Binti, and another two from website.